Okay guys, Tuesday the 16th of January and we are on the FTSE 100. Now I've just been triggered into a short position as this candle right here has came down at 7:55 AM. Now this setup today, well, the first thing is I'm looking for around about 6 to 8 points. Now this setup actually came on the 10-minute time frame, so let's just load this one up right here. Let's just mark it in. So around about 69 is the target area. Right here. Down to 67. Around about right here. Okay, so if we see the market coming down into those levels, I'm just going to exit. Looks like it's going to be a relatively fast trade. I want to give it a little bit of wiggle room. It may bounce back up, however, with the way the setup has came, I am looking for it to press down. Relatively strong test into that level. So let's see what happens with this candlestick. Okay, and we are finished the trade. A lot faster than I was expecting. We may just continue to head down, but this was the target level, so I'm happy to come out of the trade. Right, so I love trades like this because it is now literally 8:02 and I am finished for the day. Yesterday, I was sitting watching the charts and absolutely nothing set up. So I spent the whole day watching the charts. Very, very choppy. It was Martin Luther King Day in America. And you know, that's part of trading. Part of trading is literally doing nothing all day, being bored out of your mind sometimes. And then you get days like this, you know, where it's all finished in a couple of minutes. I'm going to take you through the setup. We'll have a look at the result. The trade was actually so fast today that my girlfriend was leaving for work a couple of minutes ago, literally just as the trade triggered. So she had to sprint through, give me a kiss before she headed out the door. And then I had to quickly turn on the recording software. You know, I think sometimes people think we live, or traders live in hermetically sealed boxes and all we do is sit at the charts and trade. Well, actually, especially people who on the YouTube channel, they'll send a comment on Saturday afternoon. And then 2 hours later, they'll send me an email, sorry, on Saturday afternoon, and then a couple of hours later I'll get a comment on one of the videos saying, emailed you, heard no reply, please get back to me ASAP. So we do actually live lives. That was a little bit of a rush, but I am delighted to be finished early. Let's have a look. So £435.50. I'm going to call that a day. Whoops, just turned that off there. I'm going to call that a day, finished for the day. Basically what I was looking at was, with the Sunday analysis video, if you watch that video, went over the price squeeze. So we've been going over the trend channel, and then last week's video we added in the squeeze that we've been having. Now yesterday we started to look like we were breaking down below that squeeze. However, we just didn't get any setups. The market just traded sideways in a pretty much a 15-point range. Coming into this morning, we were sitting back up above the lower band of that channel. Now, for me, oops, let me just get rid of this. For me, the zone initially, when I came in today, was sitting like this. So technically, it looked like we'd started to break up above. And what I went over with subscribers was I wasn't happy to look like this as a break above and start to look for bullish bounces. The reason being we had made nice, clean breaks down below. This had come in overnight trading, and also your trend line is not always, especially if you're taking it off the daily time frame, it's not always in exactly the right place. So I extended it, taking into account recent price action. Watched the market this morning. Now we got a pin bar here at 740. Actually just looking at that again. That is also a very nice setup on this market. I'm just having a quick look to make sure it's valid. It is valid. And in all honesty, this would have given me slightly more profit. This one right here at 740. I didn't take it though. I took it on the 10-minute time frame. I've not really taken many trades on the 10-minute time frame for the YouTube channel. So I just thought I'd show you. It's exactly the same. I am always watching the 10-minute and the 5-minute when I'm trading intraday. Okay guys, so that's pretty much everything for today. That was the reason for the setup. It happened very, very quickly. We have actually bounced all the way back up now from previous structure. This is another important thing that I try and go over with subscribers. When you see a very strong move like this, it's very easy in your head to start thinking, I'm just going to hold this, I'm just going to, you know, run it for more profit. It's a huge move. This could be a 5-to-1 risk to reward. And you start to ignore things like this. If you've got solid structure like this, at least take partial profits. It only makes sense. Okay guys, so that's everything for today. That's everything for this week. I hope you've all had a good trading week. I'm James Orr, and thank you.